Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Kyle Stumpenhorst at RR Buildings, and I'm here with my buddy Jordan Smith from Jordan Smith Builds. Now, we're here to show you the proper installation techniques for LP Smart Side lap and vertical siding. But above and beyond all these videos, make sure you go visit lpsmartside.com for all the written instruction. Installation can be an easy process with LP Smart Side lap and vertical siding. You'll need basic woodworking tools, including a circular saw, nail gun, primer, sealant, and paint. With all power tools, be sure to use proper safety procedures. You'll also need specific fasteners for each part of the installation process. Be sure you have the correct size of hot-dipped galvanized nails for the product you're installing. We'll cover the specifics as we proceed with installation. If you make a cut to any product, seal the edge with one of the following options: painting with 100% acrylic latex paint, caulking at the joint to cover the raw edge, covering butt joints with joint molding or pan flashing. If you're installing LP Smart Side Expert Finish Lap, consult the instructions provided with the Expert Finish Touch-Up Kit. Using spray paint to seal cut product is not recommended. Finally, be sure that the products you install do not come in contact with masonry, brick, or concrete. Let's get started by snapping a level chalk line along the bottom of the wall. Allow proper base trim clearances 6 inches above grade and 1 inch above all roof lines and other finished surfaces. Cut and place a starter strip. It should measure 3/8 of an inch by 1.5 inches. Then make sure your first piece of lap siding is level and the ends land on studs. Placing the starter strip is crucial because it helps to ensure that the slope of the lap siding remains consistent. Using a minimum of 0.092 inch diameter nail, start fastening from one end to the other at every stud. When blind nailing lap siding, place nails about 3/8 of an inch from the siding's ends and about 3/4 of an inch down from the top edge. Overlap successive courses of lap by a minimum of 1 inch, and remember to stagger joints over stud locations. To finish, seal all butt and corner joints with an ASTM C920 minimum Class 25 sealant. Vertical siding is another beautiful, durable choice for board and batten applications. Remember, it may only span one plate to plate. It is not intended to span beyond one floor to ceiling or floor to top of gable distance. If you're installing vertical siding over LP Weather Logic or another sheathing with an integrated house wrap, be sure to install furring strips to provide drainage. In other cases, you can install a non-compressible drainable house wrap behind the siding. Be sure to space your vertical siding at a minimum of 3/16 of an inch and use a minimum of 0.092 inch diameter nails. Place nails at a maximum of 3/8 of an inch from ends and edges, spaced a maximum of 6 inches on center along the perimeter. For batten, use the same type of nail, but be sure to space nails a maximum of 12 inches on center, alternating edges the length of the batten. With these simple steps, installing LP Smart Side products can be an easy process, giving you the durability and beauty you expect for your project.